Today, our hero goes against the trends. It follows the old school style and brings you lightness and mobility. Today, we're talking about a new, fast little tool for beauty artists from Peinter, a young company that has already made a name for itself. This is the Peinter pen. Let's go! Hi guys! If you have been with me for a while on this channel, hey fam, you already know my name is Olga. I'm a permanent makeup artist, trainer, RO restoration and pro makeup artist and cosmetologist. So believe me when I say I know the pain beauty pros go through. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button right now because I have got a lot of useful and professional content for you. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. Peinter is a young and growing leader in the permanent makeup industry. According to the company's official website, they have their own factory and laboratory, set high-quality standards and offer unique certified products. Today, they already have more than 250 partners around the world, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Turkey, Slovenia, Moldova, Kazakhstan, Belarus and many other countries. Let's start. From the packaging, we can already see that the machine is small and compact. On the box, we have a picture of our pen with the same color as the pen inside. We have also a brand name, Peinter, a name of our pen and official website. Shall we open it? Inside the box we have a user manual with the technical specifications in Russian and English. And the machine itself. Our model comes in a pearl powder pink color. It has the company logo on the body and decorative faceted accents. It has slim grip and it's incredibly small and lightweight. According to the manual, the machine weight is 90 grams. As always, let's check it with scales. Our scales show 94 grams. The Peinter is very light, about 90 millimeters long and very compact. My hand is actually bigger than this pen. Yes, this machine is wired just like the Gold's classic machines, but many permanent makeup artists complain that the most wireless equipments are quite heavy because you have the weight of machine itself plus the weight of the battery. Of course, this little pen feels very comfortable in the hand, it's ergonomic and easy to hold. It's manufacturing in two colors, powder pink and black. The price is about $400 or 350 euro. As you saw during the unboxing, you will need to buy the clip cord separately. The Peinter uses an RCA clip cord. According to the manual, the working voltage is from 5 to 10 volts. So, even though it's small, this machine is quite powerful and fast. It can work easily with all permanent makeup techniques, including RO restoration, scars and vitiligo camouflage. The pen also works great at lower voltages, like 4 or 4.5 volts. But if you are using cartridges with a stiffer membrane, the machine may not start below 6.5 or 7 volts. Don't worry, just increase the voltage to start the machine. Then lower it back your working voltage. Or if your power supply has a jump start function, you can use it instead. This machine uses a nitec Japanese motor. The stroke length is 3.2 mm. It's a hybrid stroke, and this is a factory setting that you cannot change. The needle depth is adjusted the usual way by turning the grip. You can hear the clicking sounds, which make the adjustment easier. The grip diameter is only 22 mm. This is a narrow part where your fingers rest, and it feels very comfortable while you work. The grip is removable, so it must be sterilized. You can use disinfectants and an autoclave. Of course, it's compatible with all popular cartridges and power supplies. Now it's time for the practical test. Let's connect our machine. I'll set my comfortable working voltage, 5 volts. The machine has a quiet and soft sound while working. And as usual, I'll start with the powder shading. Even though it's so small, it's quite punchy and responsive. When I use a cartridge with a stiffer membrane, it actually reminds me of the Xeon Spectre S in the way it hits and feels. If you use a cartridge with a softer membrane, the hit becomes a little softer. It does a great job with powder shading and creates a beautiful fine pixel pattern. It's also very easy to maneuver. Our second test, hair stroke. I increased the voltage to 6.5 volts. It works really well for hair strokes with no uncomfortable vibration. The lines are stable and it's comfortable to work with it. Guys, let's sum up today's review. The PEINTER is very pen, but it's very lightweight, compact and easy to maneuver. It's a hybrid for all permanent makeup techniques, including areola restoration, vitiligo and scars camouflage. Pen is quite powerful, but without feeling too aggressive. The PEINTER is a great choice for beginners and experienced artists because it has a good characteristics for work. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.